everyone, this is Dr. Menka Verma and welcome back again to my channel, the Menka Blog for Fitness, Health and Beauty Tips. Guys, in this video today, I'm going to review my favorite vitamin C face serum. And guys, if you love skincare tips, healthy and happy lifestyle, beautiful skin, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you get notified first and you can see my video first. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to review my favorite Upkarma vitamin C serum, vitamin C face serum, guys. And why I love this product, because it has a 20% vitamin C. You can see this here, it's already written here. It has 20% vitamin C. There are a lot of products actually available in the online stores and in offline stores also. And it's sometimes very confusing that which product is good, which product actually good, and give the desired result which actually we want, right? So guys, I'm making this video because I really love this product and I'm using this product I guess more than 3 to 4 months, and I see the good difference in my skin after using this long time, guys. So it has vitamin C 20%, it has high hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin E and aloe vera. These 4 ingredients makes the product awesome, guys. And one more thing is that it is completely paraben free. It is completely paraben free and 110% organic product, right? So there's no any kind of toxic chemicals in this that will harm our skin, right? It's already see here, guys. When you buy this product, you can see all this in the box of this product also, right? Now, high hyaluronic acid, the key ingredient, vitamin C, the vitamin E basically moisturize the skin and keep our skin hydrated. Aloe vera, anyways, everyone knows the benefit of aloe vera to make our skin spotless, pigment free, glass skin, and remove all kind of the aging related signs like the wrinkles, the fine lines, right? So all these things, this product is I guess awesome. And guys, this is a premium quality product. It's already written here. This is a premium quality product, means if you use this product at least 2 to 3 months, you'll really see your skin radiant, beautiful and glowing. Guys, the how exactly you have to use this, guys, this is the bottle. You can see this is the bottle. This is my brand new bottle. And how exactly we have to use it, simply you have to wash the face. Normally you wash the face with some good cleaner, then you take 2 to 3 drops of this, and simply you have to apply it everywhere on the face and massage it 1 to 2 minutes. Simply massage on your face this one, and no need to take a lot. 2 to 3 drops is perfectly okay, and massage it evenly on the face, and preferably use it at the night time because vitamin C works very good at night time. At night time our skin repairs, right? So at the same time, if we are using high quality vitamin C serum, our skin get a good result and skin become more healthy and glowing and restore the renew the skin, right? So you can use it twice a day also, I mean in morning or night time also, but I prefer to use it at the night time because it has a vitamin C. And other than all these ingredients, it has more ingredients like green tea extract, jojoba oil, lavender oil, aqua, then green tea extract, rose hip oil, right? So all these essential oils are also in this that makes the product perfect according to me. And it helps in brightening the dull skin, minimize the dark spots, reduce the hyperpigmentation and hydrate the skin, guys. So guys, all this is the combination of the ingredient make the skin awesome, guys. And I see that, you know, before using that product and after using that product, I see tons and tons of, you know, the glow and a lot of difference on my skin. Guys, the price of this product is 1,200, I mean 1,099, and the quantity is 30 ml, right? The quantity is 30 ml. The price is 1199. And guys, this is for all skin type, whether you have an oily skin or mixed kind of skin or a dry skin, right? But if you have a very sensitive skin, I suggest that you at least do a patch test, and then only you proceed. Not only this product, for any kind of product if you have a very sensitive skin, but in the safe zone, this is very good for all skin type, guys. And the best part is it's completely chemical free, all the essentials oil and good product that is required to make our skin good, healthy and glowing and radiant. So all these key ingredients are available in this product. So guys, you can use it 2 to 3 times in a day, and you can enjoy this product in the night routine time. Guys, normally what exactly we have to do, I think you check my YouTube channel. I already made a review, I already made a video about my how you have to use the product in a proper way. I mean, how you have to use the product in a morning time, how you have to use the product at night time, and what should be your morning routine, what should be your night routine, right? So for that, you refer my channel and see my that video, skincare routine video also. So how exactly you have to include this in a night time is like wash the face, apply the serum, and then moisturizer, right? You can skip the night anti-aging cream because this has everything. It has the anti-aging property, this product. This has all the moisturizing property that is required for your skin. Guys, so this is a simple review I made depending on how I use and how I see the difference. Now guys, it's your turn. You let me know in the comment section that if you already use this product, how was your your experience, and if you have not used it, you buy it and let me know how you see the difference in your skin. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you can see my video first. So guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.